Julie's Diary, Episode 12, London, July 2024. Good morning and welcome to my vlog. Today is Wednesday, July 10th, and it's an important date in the calendar. It's the Euro 2024 semi-finals. The English football team is playing Netherlands. It's an important match. Today I'm working the evening shift as a bartender in a pub in central London. I'll be serving cocktails to football fans. I decided to start the day with breakfast at McDonald's. I really like McDonald's mobile ordering system and self-service kiosks. They are easy to use, and there is no need to wait in line. For breakfast I ordered my favorite porridge made with whole grain jumbo oats served with Lyle's golden syrup. I also ordered hash brown and mighty McMuffin, which is a pork sausage patty with 2 slices of bacon, free-range egg, and a slice of cheese served in a toasted English muffin with tomato ketchup. It is simply delicious. Lyle's golden syrup is a beloved British pantry staple, known for its rich, amber hue and distinctively mellow sweetness. First produced in 1883 by Abram Lyle, this syrup has become a quintessential ingredient in many traditional British desserts. My porridge made with whole grain jumbo oats was delicious and creamy. I am just about to try my hash brown and my English muffin. Hash browns are a classic breakfast staple enjoyed by many around the world. Made primarily from shredded or diced potatoes, they are typically fried until golden brown and crispy. This delightful dish can be served on its own or as a side to complement a variety of breakfast foods such as eggs, bacon, and toast. Whether enjoyed at home or in a diner, hash browns offer a comforting and satisfying start to the day. I'm about to try my English muffin. My Mighty McMuffin, which is a toasted English muffin, has a pork sausage patty with 2 slices of bacon, a free-range egg and a slice of cheese. As usual, it was well toasted and the bacon was fresh, crispy and had a tasty flavor. To drink I ordered a cappuccino, which turned out to be very tasty. After breakfast I'm going for a walk before I start work in the evening. I hope it stops raining. I think I'll go for a walk in Hyde Park, which is not far. I'm just passing one of the cafes by the lake in Hyde Park. In front of us are beautifully dressed horse riders. I think they've come to the cafe to wait out the rain. It was raining heavily this morning. I hope the rain stops before the evening because there are football matches. Many horse riders can be seen in Hyde Park every day, several times a day. In England, many young people play sports every day. Here you can see young people roller skating. Even the rainy weather did not deter them. After the walk in Hyde Park, I will go to work by tube. I have been working as a bartender in a pub in central London for a few months. Before I started working, I completed a bartender school and got a certificate. Last year I worked at Costa Coffee as a barista. Here you can see two green parrots which are eating an apple. This is quite common in Hyde Park. These parrots are called parakeets, which are seed-eating parrots of small size and slender build. Parakeets in Hyde Park are believed to have originated from a single pair that escaped from a cage in the early 1990s. The birds quickly adapted to their new environment and began to breed, resulting in an estimated 2,000 parakeets living in Hyde Park by the end 1990s. Now I'm at the tube station buying tickets to work. I'm loading a top-up Oyster card, which is very convenient. An Oyster card is a smart card used for electronic ticketing on public transport services in London. The card can be used on buses, trams, the Underground, Overground, and even certain national rail services within the city. The card is a convenient and cost-effective way for commuters and tourists to travel around London, as it often offers cheaper fares compared to paper tickets. Users can top up their Oyster cards with credit, which is then deducted as they tap in and out at ticket barriers. The London Underground, often referred to as the Tube, is a rapid transit system that serves the Greater London area and some parts of the neighbouring counties. Opened in 1863, it is the world's first underground railway and has grown to encompass 11 lines covering 402 kilometres, 250 miles of track. The system is known for its iconic map, designed by Harry Beck in 1931, which uses a simplified, colour-coded layout to help passengers navigate the complex network. The tube handles millions of passenger journeys each day, making it a vital component of London's public transport infrastructure. Now we are waiting on the platform and soon my train will arrive. Some tube stations have extra doors, called platform screen doors, installed for safety. I finally get on the train and the journey takes about 20 minutes. I finally got to work by train. Now I'm standing outside the pub. I have to change in the staff room and then I can start work. My shift will be 6 hours long. During the shift I have a short meal break. I changed into my black uniform in the staff room. Now I will log into the system using my Dallas key, which is also called a magnetic eye button. This electronic key is used for identification and is assigned to a user. Dallas eye button can be used to record and monitor employees' activity such as shouts of joy can be heard from the fans. I received an order for a porn star martini cocktail and 2 Aperol Spritz cocktails. Here you can see how I prepare them. When the cocktails are ready, I leave them on a tray with a note for the waiter to bring the cocktails to the tables. The porn star martini, Aperol Spritz and espresso martini cocktails are very popular. I use a Boston tin-on-tin shaker to make martini cocktails. I make dozens of cocktails every shift. I'm going to take a break now and eat my staff meal. The ticket says it's employee Julie's main course. The food in our pub is very good. Today I ordered the roast pork with mashed potatoes, vegetables and Yorkshire pudding. Today I'm working until closing. I still have 2 hours of work. I received an order for a porn star martini and a Long Island iced tea. Someone also ordered 10 shots of baby Guinness. I learned the art of layering cocktails at school.
Beautiful, thank you.
I make them using a bar spoon. Layering involves carefully pouring ingredients of different densities to create distinct layers. The secret to successful layering lies in the densities of the liquids. Liquids with a higher sugar or alcohol content tend to be denser and sink to the bottom, while lighter ones float to the top. I hope you liked this short episode. Cheers and see you soon.
Beautiful, thank you.